Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a delicious vegan lasagna. First, gather your essential ingredients like lasagna noodles, a creamy plant-based ricotta, your favorite marinara sauce, and fresh vegetables such as spinach or zucchini. Next, prepare your chosen vegetables by washing and chopping them into small, manageable pieces. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 190 degrees Celsius, to ensure it's ready for baking. Now let's craft the heart of our lasagna. For the plant-based ricotta, blend firm tofu with nutritional yeast, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a mix of Italian herbs until smooth and creamy. This provides a rich, savory base. Then, enhance your marinara sauce by simmering it with extra garlic, a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick, and fresh basil. Ensure the sauce is warm. It makes spreading much easier during assembly. It's time to assemble your masterpiece. Start by spreading a thin layer of marinara sauce at the bottom of a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. This prevents sticking. Next, lay down a single layer of lasagna noodles, ensuring they don't overlap too much. Then, alternate layers. First the creamy ricotta, then more sauce, and finally your prepared vegetables. Repeat these layers, finishing with a generous top layer of sauce and a sprinkle of vegan mozzarella, if you like. Almost there. Cover your assembled lasagna tightly with foil and bake it in the preheated oven for 25 minutes. After this initial bake, remove the foil and continue baking for another 20 minutes, allowing the top to brown beautifully. This ensures everything is cooked through and bubbly. Crucially, let the lasagna rest for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This helps it set perfectly. Garnish with fresh basil and enjoy your delicious, homemade vegan lasagna, which typically yields 8 generous servings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.